All right, this is Larry. I'm going to talk you through this kind of complex conditional probability problem. We have our three urns, A, B, and C, with how many different color balls are in each one. And then we want to find out the probability that it was picked from urn C, given that it's black. Now, conditional probability, here's an important point about conditional probability. I want to underline this in orange. The probability that it's picked from C, given that it's black, times the probability that's black in the first place is the probability that it is both from urn C and black. And then looking at the other way, the probability that it's both from C and black equals the conditional probability that it's black given that it's from urn C and the overall probability that you pick from urn C. We can figure both of those on the right, these two, fairly easily. The overall probability that's black, it's a little more difficult, but if we do that, then we can figure out, then we'll have the conditional probability that it is from urn C given that it is black. So let's work on each of these. First of all, the probability that you pick your ball from urn C is exactly 1 out of 3. There are 3 urns. It's equally likely that you pick them. And what is the probability that if you pick from urn C, you pick a black ball? Well, that's 6 out of 9, 2 out of 3. So this probability is 2 out of 3 times 1 out of 3, 2 out of 9. We'll come back to that later. Now, what is the probability that overall you pick one ball and it's black? Well, you can look at it a couple different ways. It's the probability is that 1/3 that you pick from urn A, and if you pick from urn A, half of them are black. So the odds probability that you pick from urn A and it's black is 1 out of 6. And likewise, you pick from urn B, the probability of you picking from urn B is 1 out of 3. And if you pick from urn B, the probability that it is black is 2 out of 3. So that's 2 out of 9. And then C, we already know is 2 out of 9. So we add those 3 together to get the overall probability, 1 out of 6 plus 2 out of 9 plus 2 out of 9. So our common denominator is 18. 3 out of 18 plus 4 out of 18 plus 4 out of 18 is 11 out of 18. Let's make sure that's right. 2 out of 9, 2 out of 9, 4 out of 18, 8 out of 18, and 11 out of 18. Good. 6, 12. Okay, so that's the probability overall that you pick a black ball. So we have P of C given black equals the probability of C that is both C and black, which is equal to the probability of black given C times the probability of C. And we figured out on the right that is 2 out of 9 divided by the overall probability that's black, which we figured out was 11 out of 18. So dividing by a fraction means multiplying by the reciprocal. That's 2 out of 9 times 18 over 11. That equals 4 out of 11. So if the ball you pick is black, it is a 4 out of 11 chance that it comes from urn C. So that's pretty complicated. I think I did it right. It's possible I made a mistake. So I'm going to follow this question. If you have any questions or comments, or you think I did it wrong, let me know and I'll take another look at it. Bye-bye.